Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today's video is unboxing. My friend Linda bought something food related, beeswax wraps to wrap her homemade bread in. And yes, I know I've done a tutorial. Link will be here somewhere. If you want to make them yourself, they're really cheap. They're easy to make. I told her that, but she's like, no, I need them right now. And I already ordered it. So you can come see it when we order it. So, you know, maybe you'll like to make something similar, which I actually like the way that they use to fasten them down. So I might actually do a tutorial on that. But anyway, she bought them. They're great. I'm going to put a link below. But let's go look at them together. So this is the box that came from Amazon. So we have purchased some Panem reusable bread bags, and they're beeswax. I know I've made some beeswax wraps for sandwiches before, but I didn't have enough wax to make a big one. So we have been making a lot of bread at Linda's house. And so we are going to ditch the plastic.
That's what I'm hoping to do.
This is unboxing. We have not opened this yet to
I'm
see.
so excited. Ooh, I can make my breads nice and big. Oh, sweet.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
I am pleased.
And the wax is on the inside in there. Yes.
I like it.
Yeah.
It was like $17.99 on Amazon for two of them.
$17.99 on Amazon
Look,
for two
I
of them.
could fit two of them in there.
You could. And I'll put the link below. That is. And then we're just going to store them in the freezer till we need them. That's pretty cool. I love the bees on there. I love the bees.
Cute. I gotta take a picture of some of the
Also, check out this video where Linda teaches me how to make her bread, and it is so yummy. On the Superb website, save 10% with the code RebelCanners10. Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.